Yeah, I'm doing a video on Tampa, Florida's Movable Bridges. Now this bridge right here is Boring Street Basco Bridge, built in 1959, and it's built by Paul Smith Construction Company, and and this bridge crossed the Hillsborough River, and so and it's located in Tampa, Florida. And I'm sure you when the Lord's because we got a lot of boats going over this bridge that is raised. Don't believe it. Now the bridge is lowered, and it's for highway traffic. In in the state of Florida, got a lot of drawbridges, and it's you got a company called Florida Drawbridges Incorporated, and they maintain all movable bridges in the state of Florida. Some have been replaced, some have been removed, and you know, and not replaced, and some has been abandoned. And so, yeah, so this is one of them in Tampa, Florida. Now this is the Cass Street Basco Bridge, and this is a Strauss Basco Bridge built in 1926, and also, you know, it's used by, you know, the city of Tampa, and and it raises for boats and ships, and it lowers for highway traffic as well. So yeah, so there's another one in city of Tampa, Florida. Now this is the Columbus Drive / Michigan Avenue bobtail swing bridge. Swings aside for boats, and it swings back like for us pivot back to go for us highway traffic as well, motor traffic, and it's built in 1826 by the Movable Bridge Company, and also crosses the Hillsborough River. And we'll show you close up. See the close up to this bridge? Look at that right there. Yeah. It's a weird design though, but it's a bobtail type swing bridge that swings aside, pivots aside for boats and vessel traffic, and swings back for highway traffic. Yep, so it's in the city of Tampa, Florida. This is the former Lafayette Street Basco Bridge. Now it's the Kennedy Boulevard Basco Bridge. Carries Florida's 60, built in 1913 by the Edwards Construction Company, and it crosses the Hillsborough River. And so it also raises for boats and ships. 2 leaves raise, yep, and 2 leaves lower after that. The boats comes through. So yeah, so it's located in the city of Tampa, Florida. Now this is the Hillsborough Avenue US 92 westbound Basco Bridge. Was recently built I would say like some 14 years ago. Raised for boats. You see the boats is coming through, and it crosses the Hillsborough River in Tampa, Florida. And I'm gonna show you when it's lowered, and then you got the vertical lift bridge, which is the eastbound in the background. I'm gonna show you though. But I'm gonna show you when the bridge is lowered though. Yep. It's raised. Now it's lowered. It was built in 1999, and so oh yeah, so yeah, it was um, closed for highway traffic. Yeah, so and only time it raises for boats and ships. Right along with the vertical lift bridge, I'm gonna show you though. Um, it was located in the city of Tampa, Florida. Uh, now, there you go. Now this is the vertical lift bridge. Um, Hillsborough um, Avenue, across the Hillsborough River, crossing the eastbound U.S. Um, 92. That's what it carries. Florida U.S. 92 eastbound. It's a vertical lift bridge. Crosses the Hillsborough River, and it was built in 1939. It's located in the city of uh, Tampa, Florida. Yeah, look at the details of it. It was in Tampa, Florida. Now this is the Laurel Street Strasbecker Bridge, raised for boats and ships. Built in 1827 designed by the Strasbecker Bridge Company and built by the UGI Contracting Company. And so it crosses the Hillsborough River, and I'll show you where it lowers. Now this bridge is lowered for highway traffic. And look at this right there. Look at the structure of this truss over here, Conway Train Basco Bridge. Yeah. Yep. Yeah, so it's located in city of Tampa, Florida. And now this is a Platt Street Strasbecker Bridge, built in 1826, crossing the Hillsborough River. And also is in the city of Tampa, Florida. Raises for boats and ships, which is a double leaf struts underneath Conway type train basket bridge, and it lowers for highway traffic. And it owns by the city of Tampa. Yep, so it's located in Tampa, Florida. Now this is the West Gandy Boulevard Basco Bridge, carries to US 92. It's a struts underneath Conway Train Basco Bridge. It's built in 1824. Now it's replaced with a fixed bridge. And so it crosses the Tampa Bay near Tampa by St. Petersburg, Florida. Yes, so, and it was a double leaf basket bridge, which is a straws type open, raised for boats and ships and lowers for highway traffic, but it's replaced with a fixed bridge. Yep, so. Now this is the Sedan Island Railroad shows a roller lift bridge. And so, it was built by the Phoenixville Bridge Company, and it's was used by the Seaboard Airline Railroad. Now it's the Southern Island Railroad shows a roller lift bridge. It was built in 1908 or 1909, and it was former Seaboard Airline Railroad, later used as a private road. And this bridge was demolished in 1982. Yeah, when I was doing, you know, studying movable bridges like since 2000, I found out it was dismantled May of 1984, 1982 to 1984. And so, and this bridge um, crosses it's it was also used for the CSX Railroad, and crosses the Garrison Channel in Tampa, Florida. And I'll show you the close view of this bridge. You see the upper close view of this bridge. Yeah, it's a Shudder-Rutherly Bridge designed by the Shudder-Rutherly Bridge Company. Yep, it's no longer there. Yeah, but it's another one. It's in um, Longview or Castle, Washington, because it was in Long Beach, California, crossing the St. Gabriel River, and that was the twin of this bridge right here. So now this bridge is demolished between 1982 and 1984. It was located in Tampa, Florida. Now this is CSX Railroad Shudder-Rutherly Bridge. It's built in 1915. Crosses the Hillsborough River and is next to the Cass Street Strauss Basco Bridge in Tampa, Florida. It's low for train traffic. I'm show you like when it raises. Now, usually this bridge is partly raised though, and sometimes it stayed partly raised, right? But I'm gonna show you that it's in a full raised position. This bridge is in a fully raised position. And then you got the Cass Street Strauss Basco Bridge in the background, right? So look at this right there. Yeah. Usually stay raised till the trains come. And look at that, you got the rollers, then you got the two-wing counterweight, right? Then I'm gonna show you like when it lowers. See, it's lowering. Yeah, now it's lowered. And then now I'm gonna show you when the bridge is back raised, but it's partly raised though. It's usually partly raised. Now it's partly raised. Now this bridge is still in service for rail traffic. Yes, so it crosses it was built in 1915 by the Shudder-Rutherly Bridge Company. It crosses the Hillsborough River and see in Tampa, Florida. Now you got Tampa, Florida's movable bridges.